Hi there folks, JD here with Pinckney Custom Shop. So I have this, this is my latest build. What this is a ash body. It's a heavy ash body, it's very heavy. It's got a spalted maple top. We did some spalted maple veneers on some of the covers and the headstock. And we did it in a lacquer, like an amber burst or tobacco burst lacquer. We put the battery cover in wood magnets, gold hardware, Lawler pickup, Sadowski preamp. So we'll do a little sound sample. So here we go. So there's the sound sample. Sounds pretty good. That Sadowski preamp has a wonderful tone. And the tone of the strings makes it through those spalted maple veneers just fine. So that's it. Hope you like it. See you on the next one.